Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to activate the DnD focus or do not disturb focus on your iPhone. So this focus has been created by the iPhone system to help you get focus on your work on your devices. So whenever you activate this mode, no applications can send you a notifications, no one can call you, and no one can send you a message because the phone will block every access that will disturb your work. So how to activate the DnD? Just open your settings, and right away you just need to scrolling down until you find the second boxes that related to the notification sections, and right after that go click focus. So the DnD will be on the top line of the boxes of your focus collection. So to turn it on, just go click them and you're done. You already activated the DnD focus on your phone. So that is the way how to activate the DnD on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.